Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are creating a social media post using custom shapes. Begin with a gradient from pink to purple. Pick the custom shape tool and choose a heart shape. Add the heart in the center from the canvas. Change its fill to white. Add a circular shape behind the heart. Lower its opacity to create a soft aura. Add star shape around the heart for sparkle. Rotate a few of them for variations. Add a rounded rectangle for your text. Fill it with white and remove its stroke. Your message inside the box. Thanks for watching. Your social media poster is done in Photoshop. Now add small icon shape near the corner.